Hi, I'm Jerry Gibbs, and today I'd like to look at how we apply dehumidifiers to a flooded house. So this volume tent now is set up as an equal pressure using the EPD200 PRO. And this machine is working on equal pressure now, so it's on a recirculation system. So we've got the dry air being made by the machine going into the tent, causing evaporation on the wet materials behind the tent, and the air being scavenged back and going back through the system where more moisture could be absorbed. So now the air is getting drier and drier and drier as the machine constantly recirculates. Obviously the machine incorporates the desiccant wheel, and it's got to drive the water out of the wheel, and that's being done as a recirculation system as well. Air is being taken from an unaffected area, air is being heated up, driven through the wheel, the water is evaporated off the wheel, and it's being driven out the other side and ducted into the unaffected area. So it's a completely sealed system. The tent is tightly sealed against the wall, and no atmospheric changing in the kitchen caused by doors being opened, windows opened, cooking, boiling potatoes is going to change what goes on in that tent. This dehumidifier is now completely dedicated to the wet materials behind there, and is possibly one of the most efficient drying regimes we could set up.